Want to chat with your friends in Call of Duty but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to chat with your friends in Call of Duty. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by tapping on the message icon which is above loadout. Now tap on friends from the top of your screen. Now select the person that you want to chat with. Now click on the text box and enter your message. After that, tap on OK button. You can also add some emoji by tapping on the emoji icon. Select emoji of your choice. Then tap on send button. And that's how you can chat with your friends in Call of Duty. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.